coming up, and now is the time to start preparing for it. Check out this video to learn how to make an Easter wreath, a festive basket, a rabbit cake, and many other things. For the first life hack, take a hard-boiled egg and a teaspoon. Break the shell on one side using the spoon. Gently scrape out the white and the yolk. Take a bright ribbon and tie it around the shell, leaving a long loop like this. Decorate the junction on the ribbon with rhinestones. Pour a little soil inside the pot using a spoon and plant a flower. Let's make some more pots so that the flowers don't get lonely, and hang them by the loops. It looks just like spring, right? And now take some felting wool and thick decorative wire. Twist a frame like this with ears from the wire. Put a dot with a hot glue gun on the head and wrap it with wool. Then coat with glue and wrap all parts of the frame with wool. Don't forget a tail. Draw eyes and a nose for the rabbit using fabric paint. The bunny is sad, but don't be like the bunny. Place the bunnies on the shelf and wait for the party to start. For this life hack, take eggs and some Elmer's glue with a brush. Apply a pattern to the shell. Now take some dry glitter and sprinkle the egg with it. Gently shake the excess glitter from the surface. When the glue is dry, place the decorated eggs in a cozy nest. The shine is incredible! Where are my glasses? For the next idea, take a round sponge cake. Cut it in half with a sharp knife and leave one half on a platter. Turn it upside down. Make a cut from one edge like this. Now take a can of whipped cream and cover the entire surface of the cake with it. Sprinkle shredded coconut on top. Make a couple of paper rabbit ears. Insert them into the notch. Add some Easter eggs. What a cute rabbit! I almost feel sorry for it. Now, we'll tell you what to make out of a regular disposable plate. Cut a mask out of it. Cut out ears from a white piece of paper and a colored piece of paper. Decorate the cardboard mask with colored eyebrows and a nose. Make dots on the cheeks with a marker. Glue strips of colored paper like whiskers to the face. Add ears and a stick so that the mask is comfortable to hold. Who's the cutest of them all? For the next idea, take a strip of felt and a piece of fabric. Fold the strip in half and cut it like this. And now, fold the small fabric square in half and cut out pieces like these. Glue them along the edges of the felt strips. Make a small notch on one side of the strip. Take a napkin and roll it up. Wrap the napkin roll with felt. Fasten the ring by pushing one ear into the slot. Be sure to straighten the ears. Your guest will be surprised to see such a serving. For the next idea, take a box. Draw a semicircle on one side. Cut it out with a box cutter. Glue a pair of pink felt circles on the sides of the cutout. Glue the nose and the eyes above the cutout. Fasten the ears to the box. Take a black marker and draw a mustache on the face. Put the box against the wall and take a ball. Gather your friends and try to roll the ball into the goal. Is the game still on? What's the score? Who's winning? We guarantee it'll be fun. And now take plastic spoons and brown paint. Color the handle with a thin brush. Take paints of other colors and paint the main part of the spoon. Make a bright base and apply a colorful decoration on top. It looks like something, doesn't it? Make a few more multicolored decorations and take a pot. Glue the bright spoons all around it. Put it somewhere easily visible and smile every time you see it. Nothing cheers you up better than bright colors. And now take a few branches of a grapevine and a skein of twine. Collect the sprigs in a bundle and tie them with the twine from one end. Divide the bundle in two parts and bend the free ends like this. Bind the twigs tightly at the junction. Decorate the nest with Easter eggs. Add some color. The result is an unusual festive wreath. It looks very beautiful. Next, take a balloon and small decorative Easter eggs. Place an egg inside the balloon and inflate it. Take a skein of thread and glue. Pour the glue into a separate container and soak the thread with it. Make sure you're wearing gloves so you don't get sticky. Wrap the thread around the entire balloon. When the glue hardens, pierce the balloon and remove it. Cut off the top gently with sharp scissors. Place Easter eggs into the decorative nest and return them inside the balloon. Put a flower garland on it and enjoy the Easter mood. For the next idea, take a sheet of bright wrapping paper. Make a bend on one side. Fold the sheet in half and glue the second end to the bend using a glue stick. Bend one of the ends and fold it like this. Fold the envelope in half and cut off part of the free edge. Open it and fill it with sweets. Tie the bag with a ribbon with a card. Glue a pom-pom tail. Who is this present for? Catch it before it runs away. And now, draw or print a stencil like this. Lay out the paper on the base and cut out all the small internal parts with a sharp knife. Cut out the piece using scissors. Fold the stand like this and glue the joints. Apply some glue to the outer surface. And now take some dry glitter and sprinkle the piece with it. Insert the egg inside the stand and close the box. DIY egg houses are ready! They are unusual and very festive. For the next life hack, take a basket. Put a layer of foam on the bottom. Lay out decorative straw on top. Add flowers, Easter eggs, and feathers. Make sure you insert an Easter bunny. This is very easy to make, but it creates a special atmosphere of joy. And now take a small frame and some air-dry clay. Knead the clay in your hands. Divide it into several parts and assemble them into a bunny. Make a cute face using a thin needle. Glue the eyes and nose made from miniature clay balls. Glue one rabbit to the center of the frame. Place the second one like it's hanging and holding the paws of the first. When the composition is dry, put it somewhere visible. Now, when you look at this picture, you will always remember how important it is to help your neighbor. And now take a small shred of fabric and a couple of paper stencils. Apply the stencils to the shreds, fold it in half, and cut them along the outline. Sew the small parts 2 by 2. Now take the big piece, fold it in half, and sew it along the edge of the shortcut like this. Put the parts together and sew them around the edges, leaving a small cutout. Fill the bag with stuffing and sew the cutout up. Draw eyes on the bunny with a waterproof marker. And use a hot glue gun and a small triangle to make a nose out of the fabric. Glue on a pom-pom tail and a ribbon. The best Easter souvenir is a handmade one. Who will be lucky enough to get this as a gift from you? Did you like our Easter life hacks? Which one surprised you the most? Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new videos. Give this video a like, click on the bell, and share this video with your friends.